Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to earn money online from home. With the increasing demand for remote work and the rise of the gig economy, making money online has never been more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or earn a full-time living, there are plenty of opportunities out there. So, let's dive into it. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online from home. As a freelancer, you can work on projects and assignments for clients from all over the world. Some popular freelance job opportunities include writing, graphic design, and virtual assistant work. To get started as a freelancer, you'll need to set up a portfolio and find clients. You can do this through freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or by networking with people in your industry. 2. Online surveys. Companies are always looking for ways to gather consumer data, and online surveys are a great way for them to do so. There are many legitimate websites that pay users for completing surveys. Some popular ones include Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie. To maximize your earnings, it's a good idea to sign up for multiple survey websites and complete surveys regularly. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on any sales that result from your promotion. Some popular affiliate marketing programs include Amazon Associates and ShareASale. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to choose a niche and promote products effectively. This can be done through social media, email marketing, and other channels. 4. Online teaching and tutoring. Last but not least, we have online teaching and tutoring. With the rise of e-learning, online teaching and tutoring has become more popular in recent years. There are many platforms that allow you to teach or tutor students from all over the world, such as ByteKid and Teachable. To get started with online teaching and tutoring, you'll need to obtain relevant qualifications and market yourself effectively. And that's it. We've covered 4 different ways to earn money online from home. Remember, earning money online requires hard work and dedication, but it can be a great way to supplement your income or even earn a full-time living. If you have any other ideas or suggestions for earning money online, be sure to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.